Today, we're diving into a really critical question. Why are companies moving to the cloud? Now look, I know the cloud sounds like just another tech buzzword, but trust me, it's not. It is an absolute operational revolution that's completely redefining how global businesses function. So let's just jump right in. Seriously, why are companies all over the world making this massive move? Well, the answer is actually pretty straightforward. Modern businesses absolutely demand faster, smarter, and way more flexible ways to operate, right? I mean, if an organization isn't agile today, it literally just gets left behind in the incredibly fast-paced global marketplace. And it basically comes down to a fundamental shift in how we handle infrastructure. Cloud computing allows companies to finally ditch those rigid, wildly expensive physical servers. Instead, they're choosing to store their data, run applications, and manage services dynamically, entirely over the internet. You're essentially trading this giant, static, capital-heavy physical asset for a super efficient, flexible service. It's a total game changer. Now, this massive transition is being powered by the big players. We're talking Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. What these platforms do is effectively let businesses rent their computing power, so companies can scale up almost instantly without pouring huge amounts of cash into building their own infrastructure. You get exactly the resources you need, exactly when you need them. Pretty smart, right? And when you make that switch, the operational advantages compound incredibly fast. We're talking reduced operational costs right out of the gate, plus way faster deployment of new services. Your daily operations are suddenly secured with much better data backup and stronger business continuity. And on top of all that, your teams gain remote access from literally anywhere, with vastly improved scalability and flexibility. It is essentially a complete structural upgrade from top to bottom. But here's the thing, those operational perks aren't just minor IT upgrades. They are the actual foundation for today's massive modern business trends. Think about it. You really can't have remote teams working seamlessly if your data is locked away in one specific server room in one specific city. Cloud technology is what directly enables remote work. It drives global business growth, and it accelerates widespread innovation. It's this incredibly powerful, interconnected cycle. And that brings us to why this really matters to us. Understanding cloud computing is quickly becoming an absolutely vital skill for both businesses and IT professionals. It is no longer just some niche back-office topic, guys. The cloud is actively transforming how businesses operate in today's digital world. Whether you're an executive trying to streamline operations or an IT leader managing these complex networks, this is essential knowledge for navigating the modern workforce. So if you found this breakdown helpful, definitely make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on the notification bell for more cloud and tech explainers from Buvora. But before we wrap up today, I want to leave you with a thought. If the foundational infrastructure of global business is now practically weightless, existing entirely over the internet, what physical limitations are currently holding back your own digital future? Something to think about. Keep learning, and we'll see you in the next explainer.